I just got some milk and bread from the store that is right next door to the house I'd like to show you. Come over here. This cool house has a powered workshop with laneway access. It's next door to the shops, around the corner from the school, and the development options here are top tier. You can potentially retain and build, or build multiple units, or even do a 2-story apartment complex. We'll show you some options shortly, but first, let's take a look around. Some weird looking bread. You know, I can't find any information in this newspaper about this awesome house. So I guess if you want to know more, it's time to call the Mitchell brothers.